Hello, and welcome to Talk Work Safety, the channel dedicated to helping you create a safe and healthy workplace. Today, we've got an electrifying topic to discuss: testing and tagging of electrical equipment in the workplace. It might sound shocking, but it's crucial for your safety and compliance. So, let's dive in. First off, what's testing and tagging? Well, it's a process where electrical equipment such as extension cords and power boards, office equipment, kitchen appliances, heating and cooling devices, power tools, and other electrical safety devices are inspected, tested, and tagged to ensure it's safe to use. This helps prevent accidents and keeps everyone safe on the job. Now, why is this important? In Australia, we've got strict safety regulations, and one of them is to comply with AS 3760. It requires businesses to regularly test and tag their electrical gear. It's about reducing the risk of electric shocks, fires, and accidents in the workplace. Well, it should be done by a competent person. That's someone who's got the right skills and training to carry out the tests. You can hire a specialist or even train someone in-house. Now, how often should you test? According to SafeWork New South Wales, all testing and tagging of electrical equipment, including equipment like residual current devices or RCDs, must be undertaken by a competent person at least every 12 months. More frequent testing may be prudent, for example, in relation to electrical equipment used in manufacturing and workshop environments or commercial cleaning equipment, which should be at least once every 6 months. Organizers should request that suppliers provide a register of electrical equipment showing records of testing being undertaken within the 12 months prior to the show. Alright, let's talk about what's involved in testing. It includes visual inspections for damage, wear, and tear. Then, electrical tests to make sure it's all working as it should. This requires appropriate testing equipment, such as a portable appliance tester. And finally, attaching a tag that shows the test date and who did the testing. The tag will include a unique identification number or a barcode, a test date, the next test due date, the result of the test, the name of the tester, and the testing company details. Remember, record keeping is crucial. Keep a log of all tests and inspections, and ensure records are accessible to all staff and authorities. In conclusion, testing and tagging electrical equipment is not just a legal requirement, it's about keeping our workplace safe. Regular testing can reduce risks. Always stay compliant by updating yourself with the state's work health and safety regulations and standard codes of practice, and put safety first for yourself and your coworkers. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. If you've got any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!